Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this hand vacuum from Nicebay that we got here on Amazon. In this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about this vacuum, including the one important thing I think everyone should know before buying. So as you can see, this vacuum is very small. It's really compact. It doesn't have a ton of weight, which I love. I've had problems with the smaller vacuums before in the past because they were small but a little too heavy, which is not the case with this one. As you can see, very compact, lightweight. It's easy to hold, as you can see. So you hold right here on the top, you have the turn on button, and then to increase the power as well. So I opened it up to show you guys. This vacuum comes with a stainless steel net and a filter. They also give you an extra filter once you can't use this one anymore, which is nice. You don't have to buy an extra one. You're gonna be using this for a while. It will take you about 4 to 5 hours to fully charge this hand vacuum, and it can run for up to 26 minutes in the lowest setting and about, I'd say, 10 to 11 minutes in the highest setting, which is great because we have another hand vacuum, nice brand, and we used it a few times and we couldn't use it for more than 8 to 10 minutes. So yeah, we got a little upset about it. That's why we're looking to find new hand vacuums and just try it out and see what's best for us. And we really like this one. Very efficient. It's powerful. I know I said that this is small and compact, and it is small and compact, but it's powerful. It will get the job done. I am going to put this together and show you how powerful this little vacuum is. And right here on the side, I can't forget to mention, this is the charging station, which also looks very nice. I love the way of that this charging station looks like. And on the back right here, you have this compartment where you can put the other accessories that comes with it. All right, so now I'm gonna show you this thing in action. You can kind of hear it. It's not super loud, which I like. And right here, you can increase the power or make it less. So you have the option to increase it or decrease it. All right, so I'm gonna show you right now here by our door. As you can see, it's dirty. We don't clean this all the time. We use the bigger vacuum, so it doesn't really do a good job. So I'm gonna use this one, and you guys can see how powerful this thing is. I'm going to use the max power, which is this one. You can see all the, here, let me do the opposite way so you can kind of see it. You can see it better now. It's a little hard to do this and record at the same time, but as you guys saw, it cleaned pretty well. Even though I was using one hand and not really paying close attention, this thing does a really good job, especially for the size of it. Usually you just use this for little corners where other vacuums can't really reach. So yeah, I think this is worth the price. It's a good investment. It's good to have something like this around. Now, I want to talk about the one important thing. I said in the beginning, I think you guys should know before purchasing this hand vacuum. Even though it is very powerful, it works really well, compact, lightweight, I don't like how long it takes to charge it. Like I said in the beginning, it takes about 4 to 5 hours to charge this vacuum. In my opinion, that's a little too much. I wish it was faster, but if that's the worst thing, it's not that bad. Besides charging, taking too long to charge, this hand vacuum is great, and I highly recommend it.